Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome to the Ave. In today's video, I will be sharing 3 easy styles that you guys can do with head wraps during the summertime. For style number 1, I'll be using a wig cap and a shirt to create a hump on top of my head because as you guys can see, my hair is looking a little busted and it's not in a high ponytail. So to create that base that I need in order for me to do the head wrap style that I want to do, these are what I'm using. So after applying the wig cap onto my head, I am placing my head wrap, which is from Wraps by Bijou. I'll have all her information in the description box down below so you can check her out. Want to go ahead and adjust, and then you want to go ahead and take one of the ends of the head wrap and place it into the hole and tie it down. Make sure that you adjust the tightness, so if it's too tight around your ears that you adjust it. And then pretty much at this point you want to adjust and style until you get the desired look that you want. Don't be afraid to twist and tuck. Twist and tucking is your best friend when using a head wrap or wearing a head wrap or styling a head wrap. For this specific style, I go ahead and I tie the head wrap one more time, and then like I said before, I twist and I tuck. Now I'm using one of my bonnets or do-rag looking things to protect my hair and also to protect the head wrap from, absorbing all of the oils from my hair. For this specific style, you want to pretty much wrap and twist until you get the desired look that you want. Another way that you can do this is you can twist everything together and then do the wrap. for this last style, I'm just folding the front part of the head wrap so that it sits seamless on my head before actually creating the style. And that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.